Hello guys, once again you are welcome to this channel. Now this is a channel basically dedicated to making money online and also improving traffic, sending traffic, how to generate traffic to your website. So you are definitely at the right place if you are looking at how to make money online, how to make passive income, alongside your 9 to 5 job, or if you are just a stay-home mom. This is the right place to be. You learn a lot how to make money online. Now let me tell you, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please just try and subscribe, like us, and you can also share the content if you like what we are doing. If you don't like it, make sure you put a comment below. It will help us to improve upon what we are doing. It will help us to improve upon bringing you more quality videos. So today we are going to review this website, MyAddsUp. Now this is a website that has been launched just about a week ago. Today is 29th April 2019. So it has been launched just about a week ago, and guys, people are making good money. So far over $7,000 has been paid out. Over $7,000 has been paid out with close to 1,000 members just after being launched. So that is it. Now how do you make money from this website? Let's just read here. This is the home page. This is a landing page when you first visit the site. So it's actually 100% free to join. It's 100% free to join, and you can earn up to $35 per click. Now let me say that it's an advertising website where just like all the other websites, the PPC websites, where you click, you view ads, click and view ads, and you are paid, you get paid. So this website too is the same, but there is a huge difference. You realize that if you have joined any of the other sites, you realize that those ones you have to click so many, view so many websites or ads to be paid $1, sometimes about 50 to 100 websites to be paid $1. Now here is totally different. The commissions or earnings are much higher. Earnings are much higher with this. So each you need to buy an ad pack. You need to buy an ad pack, and the least you can buy is $1. The least you can buy is $1, and you have a chance to buy multiple ads. You can also advertise your business here. You can advertise your business here, and then you also earn commission by referring others. So there's an affiliate link. As a member, you will have your affiliate link, and then just look at here. You earn 5% commission. 5% commission on anybody you referred who is also making some earnings. 5% commission. I think that is very good. So you can make a lot of passive income from this website. So without much ado, let's get onto the system and see how it is like. So this is my back office. I just opened this account for this tutorial. So this is my back office, and you see you can buy ad packs, and that is actually when you start. So let me say that, you see guys, before you start referring people, make sure you buy your ad pack, even if it is just the minimum $1, even if it is just the minimum. Yes, so this is how it works basically. Let's come down here, let me show you. Okay, yeah, let's come here. Go back home. How it works. Okay, good. So you can earn up to $36 a day or per click. $36 per click. Can you imagine this? $36. So let's just come here so that I'll explain this very quickly. Now when you look here, when you buy $1, for each dollar you purchase, you are going to get 30 3080 points. 3080 points. Yes, and that means that you will be able to view 17 ads, and your daily earnings is $0.2. $0.2. So let's see how in a month how much you can earn if you purchase just $1 ad pack. So 0.12 times 30 days, so that's just 3.6. Now guys, you will want to start with at least somewhere around $5. So let's see, if you start with $5, so 5 times 3080, so that's 15,000. Yeah, so you will be around here, group 2. So 15,000, let's see, 0.3, what is happening? 0.34 times 30 days, sorry, 0.34 times 30. So you if you buy, you see, $5 in a month, you'll be able to double your earnings just by watching only 20 ads a day. Only 20 ads a day. Now let's see, if you are targeting $1 daily earnings, $1 daily earnings, or how much you will need to deposit. So let's see, let's say $15 times 3080, so that's 46,000. So that's around here. So let's say $17 times 3080, so 52,000. So you'll be around here. That's group 4. So group 4, you will be able to make 1.32 times 30 days, so about $39. So let me add that, you see, about 25%, let's go here, about 25% of your earnings is used to purchase more ads for you, so you can actually advertise. Let me remind you, it's also a platform for you to advertise your website or your affiliate link or whatever. It's a platform, so you stand the chance of driving a lot of traffic to your website or affiliate link. And for me, I think the best offers you can promote here, particularly if you're an affiliate, are those offers that are in the money making niche, or the free offers, the CPA offers. Now, because all the people here, they are here to make money, so they will like to know other options of making money. So don't bring websites that are about selling high ticket products. No. People will click on them, but then that is not, I mean, it might not catch their attention so much. But if you are promoting things like, how to make money, it will catch somebody's attention. You get that? Good. So now let's say if you are looking at $2 a day, or let's look at here, $6 a day. $6 a day, how much you need to deposit. You see, I'm doing this so that you can make a decision as to how much you want to make a day, so that you can deposit the amount you are targeting. So let's say $100 times 3080, so that's 308,000. It's around here. Good. So if you deposit $100, then you will be, at least literally just in 2 days, every 2 days you will be able to withdraw your money. every 2 days you should be able to make 4.9 times 2, then times 0.25 minus okay, let's come 4.9 times 2, so that's 9.8. then we have 9.8 times 0.25 minus 9.8. so every 2 days you will be able to withdraw $7.35. Every 2 days you'll be able to withdraw $7.35. so in a month you will take away over $200, and that is good money, passive income. You see that? So guys, this is a wonderful website. This is a wonderful website. It's definitely paying. I will encourage you, if you have a website, if you're an affiliate, guys, get inside, and you will make some cool money from this website. I would definitely recommend it for you. Now, earlier I told you, you have to just I mean, if you want to make money whether online or offline, you definitely need some small amount of money to start with. So this is a website, and remember, you can make up to 154% on your investment. So you can refer and you can deposit as well. And let me tell you that the ways you can deposit, we have payee. You can deposit by payee, perfect money, and then Bitcoin. So these are some of the ways that you can deposit cash, and it's definitely possible to withdraw your cash, whatever. And the minimum you can withdraw is $5, which I already told you. That's the minimum. And look at this, you can also promote. You see, there are banners. If you have a website or a blog, you see, you can just copy this and put it in your blog, your HTML code, where you will be I mean, people will come to your website, and then they join the program, upgrade or deposit some cash, and you make money. You see, that is good. It's good money. You make money. Then any amount they earn, you also earn 5% of that. So assuming in a month somebody makes $50, then you are making 0.05, $2.5. That is good money. That is good money. Now let's take it, you have 500 people you have referred, and on the average all these people are earning, let's say, $1,000, 1,000. The 100 people are earning 1,000 in a month. So that's average of how much? $10 per person in a month. So times 0.05. So every month you are earning $50 for doing nothing. I think that is a very good program. It's a very good referral system. I mean, these are the kind of affiliates that you definitely will want to join. Yeah, these are the kind of affiliates you definitely will want to join. So you have your banners, you can buy your ad pack, and that. So you choose which type of banner you want to join. These are ads from other designs. So like I was telling you, you can pay by perfect money, payee. So there is no PayPal for now. Let's see, probably later in future it will be added. So guys, if this video brought some value to you, make sure you like us, make sure you subscribe to the channel. You can also share it to your friends, relatives and loved ones, schoolmates, etc, etc. Everybody wants to make money, so let's all make money together, guys. Now if this video brought some value to you and you would like to be part of this program, there is a link below, so just click on it and join it immediately. Also start making money now. All right guys, thank you very much for watching. catch you up later. Bye for now.